7 tips for building a daily meditation practice. Have you ever attempted to form a new habit or learn a new skill? You probably recognize early on that success required regular practice. That holds true for meditations as well. To develop a habit, regular meditations is crucial. It might be challenging to begin a regular meditation practice, but most people find it gets easier as they begin to experience some of its numerous advantages. Still unsure about your ability to include meditations in your daily life? It's definitely doable, and these 7 success strategies can assist. Here we begin with the video. Firstly, start small. Although meditations for at least 30 minutes a day is an excellent aim, you don't have to start there. You might not first feel extremely calm or aware. You may not feel at all at ease, but it's alright. Just set a time limit of 5 minutes for yourself to reflect. Have an interest in them, but don't push it. You'll eventually feel compelled to sit down and meditate. Don't worry if you can manage 30 minutes daily. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day might be beneficial. Choose the ideal time. You'll discover that several sites suggest various optimal times to meditate. The best time to meditate is actually whenever you can make it work. You'll probably only feel annoyed and reluctant to continue if you force yourself to meditate at a time that doesn't fit well with your schedule and obligations. Instead, experiment when you meditate to determine what seems most comfortable for you. That might occur first thing in the morning, before going to sleep, during a hectic commute, or during your break at work. Try to stick to the time you select, whatever it may be. Maintaining consistency might assist your new habit blend in with the rest of your regular activities. Get comfortable. You have probably seen pictures of individuals sitting in the traditional lotus pose for meditation. However, not everyone feels at ease in that posture, and it can be challenging to meditate when you are in an uncomfortable position. Fortunately, there isn't a certain postures you need to take to meditate well. Instead, simply assume a comfortable natural positions that you can keep. For example, laying down and sitting on the chair is just okay. If you have problems staying motionless while sitting, consider standing or walking while you meditate. Some people discover that concentrating on each phase, like concentrating on the breath, enhances the meditation process. Also, think about making a relaxing, tranquil locations for meditation, or even design a ritual around the exercise. For example, candles, calming music, pictures, and keepsakes of loved ones may all improve meditation. The ritual's advantages are equally significant since the act serves as a declaration that your well-being counts. Use a podcast or app for meditation. Do you still have any questions regarding how to actually meditate? Always consult your smartphone if you're unsure. Nowadays, there's an app for almost everything, and meditations is no different. You may learn more about meditations using soothing sounds, breathing exercises, podcasts, and images. Additionally, you may customize the app to track your development and alter your meditation strategy based on your feelings. Some well-known applications are Calm, Headspace, and 10% Happier. Keep going. Don't panic if meditations doesn't appear to click for you at first. It takes time to develop a new habit. Explore whatever changes you are facing with curiosity and an open mind rather than seeking excuses why you can't continue with it. For example, the difficulties you encounter when meditating might help you develop a more fruitful practice. Developing your acceptance and curiosity in meditations might make it easier for you to apply these emotions to your everyday life. In addition, this may make it simpler for you to regularly cultivate awareness. Acknowledge when it's not working. The advantages of meditations might not be felt right away. That is entirely typical. And no matter how long you have been training, occasionally your thoughts will still stray. This is also typical. Neither of these factors precludes you from benefiting from meditation. It's really a positive thing to notice when your attention has wandered, since it shows that awareness is something you're growing into. Simply softly concentrate on yourself when this happens. You should eventually experience advantages if you maintain a regular meditation routine. Although it's not very often, some people report feeling more depressed, anxious, or panicked than usual. Before continuing meditation, you might want to get advice from a therapist if it routinely makes you feel worse. Get started. Are you prepared to try daily meditation? For your first meditations, try the short one. Locate a relaxing area where you may unwind. Set a 3 to 5 minutes timer. Start by concentrating on your breathing. Take note of how each inhalation and exhalations feel. Breathe in a manner that seems natural, gently and profoundly. As soon as your mind starts to stray, notice it. Let it go and shift your attentions back to your breathing. If this continues, don't be concerned. It will end. Open your eyes when your time is up. Be mindful of your environment, body, and emotions. You could or might not feel different. The practice of meditations can be done in any method. However, practice is the most effective way for you, so don't be afraid to experiment with different methods until you discover one that works. You'll know it's working when you observe more compassion, serenity, joy, and acceptance in your life. Be patient, since these advantages generally don't manifest themselves immediately, but you'll continue along the path to success if you keep an open mind and a curious attitude towards yourself. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.